Hello, in this video I will continue with the typecasting. So here we have two variables, I and D. So this is 10, this is 2. So if I say I divided by D, okay, so I is 10, so this is 2, okay. So now let's see what we get. If I run it, okay, I get 5.0. It is because D is a double. So even if I put 2, actually the value of the D is not 2. It is 2.0 because D is a double. So here we have I, which is integer divided by double. The result is double. Okay, so the result is 5.0. So what if I say 9? Okay, so if I run this, okay, so integer divided by double is double, so I get this 2.5. Okay, so what if this was integer? Okay, so now what is the result? If I run it, the result is 4, not 4.5. It is because integer divided by another integer is integer. So the floating part is truncated. Okay, so the 0.5 is gone. So here, let me make this double again. Double. Okay, so actually let me do this. If this is integer, integer divided by integer is integer, which is 4. Let's assume that I cannot change the data types. So this remains integer, this is integer. But still, I want to get the correct answer. So 4 is not correct. If you use the calculator, the result is 4.5. So how can I get 4.5? If I make at least one of these values double, then the result would be correct. So I can make either this one double. So this is how I do that. So here I say double. Okay. So now this highlighted part is double. Double divided by integer is also double. So if I run it, okay, 4.5. Okay. Or by the way, if I do this, some of you may think that, okay, 4 divided by 2, so I'm sorry, 9 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so this is 4. And then if you typecast it, shouldn't it be 4.0? The answer is no, because this typecast applies to the closest operand, closest number, which is I. So this double typecast I only, not I divided by D. If I want to make this calculation first and then typecast it, then I had to put this in the parentheses. Now, because this is in the parentheses, this part is calculated first, which is 9 divided by 2. It is 4, not 4.5, because both of them is integer. So this one is 4, integer 4. When I typecast it to double, then it will be 4.0. Okay. So let me do this. Also, for example, if I say, okay, what is the, so this one divided by 2, so this one is 4. If you want to get correct answer, you can put 0.0 here. So 2.0, you make it double. Now if I run it, now integer divided by double is this. Okay. So the other thing is, if you do this 2.7, this does not work because d is integer, but this is not integer, this is double. So if I do this double, no, I'm sorry, not double, integer. In this case, this highlighted part is 2. Okay, so 2.7 is considered as an integer. So this highlighted part is 2, and 2 is assigned to d. So if I display d on the screen, okay, then it displays 2, not 2.0, because d is not double, it is integer. And we do not assign double, we assign integer. This highlighted part is integer. I hope this is clear to everybody. See you at the next video.